Oh shit. Here we go again.
Hey people, Garrett here from iDigi Affiliate, and today we're going to be promoting a $25 all-in-one digital business using My Lead Gen Secrets and ChatGPT. Alright guys, so the reason that we promote the $25 all-in-one digital business is because of its affiliate program, which is the best I ever heard. 80% recurring income. You get paid 80% every month, guys. Absolutely fantastic. So if you guys are interested in that, make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Make sure to hit that notification bell, and let's get started. All right, so first and foremost, we're going to look at our results here. Looks like we did not get a sale yesterday. We tried something a little different yesterday, but it didn't work out. So we're going to go back to what we know works. All right, so we're going to refresh the page here. Alright guys, we did not get a sale yesterday. Before I get through, I want to explain something here. I have not been posting or trying to post since it's been, it's all been Christmas. As the day is Christmas, guys. I really ain't had time to really do this. But today is Christmas. I got a little leeway today to make a video real quick before the day gets started. So that's what I'm gonna do here, guys. So the first thing I'm gonna do, what we're gonna do, guys, pay attention. We're gonna first we need to get our links here. Now I'm gonna show you the link that I like using. I like using this link. This link seems to work best for me, and you can try other links if you want. I've tried them a few times. I got in a sale with this before, but I overall decided to just stick with this link here. This works the best for me. All right, so you can use this link or any other link. I just want to make sure you guys know which link I use. All right, so first and foremost, what you want to do is go to my description and my links, guys, and click on step 1 there. It's going to take you to this page here. Basically, the sales letter for the $25 business. And it's going to talk about what it is, what it does, how much money you can make, blah, 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 right? And essentially, the $25 business is a funnel builder. Pretty good one, $25 per month. Fantastic offer, and yeah, it's usable. It's a very usable program, very easy to use, and so on and so forth. So it's a good product is what I'm trying to say. So you'll feel good promoting it is what I'm trying to say here. So basically you get 80% of that, so you can make $20 and $100 monthly commissions off of this product. All right guys, so that's $120 for each customer if they get all to get the products. And there's a one-time chart, a one-time product as well. If they get that, that's $400. If they get it right away, that's $400. If they wait and decide to get it later, that's $800 for you. All right, 80%, no matter what the product is. They constantly adding products as well, guys. Make sure you understand that. Anyway, guys, we're gonna go and get on with this. We decided we want to try this out. We're gonna click on yes, I want in, right? You click on that, you just put in all your basic information to get all the product. To get the product, go down here, get it for $25. Now, one thing I want to mention, guys, is the HBA Premium. All right, guys. Well, what this is and what it does, basically give you a chance to get training on Facebook ads, groups, YouTube, all that stuff, right? Anything you want to try to get traffic for, they got information on how to do it on each one of them, right? And teach you how to do that. So you can get that for free for 2 weeks. So you can look over it and decide, hey, this is helpful. But the thing is, it's constantly updated. So things change on these websites. So you have to switch it up so you ain't breaking no rules or anything. The rules change a lot often. So you have to really keep up with the training. Don't buy a course if it's not updated, guys, because if it's not updated, it's gonna eventually fail. So anyway, guys, that's all it is to that. Get that information in, boom, complete order, get instant access, blah blah blah, right? All right, so once you do that, what you want to do next is go to my second link, guys. We need a way to promote this, right? So that's what My Lead Gen Secrets is for. You click on that second link, it's gonna take you to a page like this. Now, what is My Lead Gen Secrets? You get 100 leads every day. You can email once per day. They all interested in making money online. All right, guys, interested in making money online. So let's focus on that. So what we're gonna do is just come in here. We're gonna use an email that ChatGPT has helped us write written, right? That's what we're gonna do. In the first week. All right, so this is the email we're gonna send. Making money my first week. Now this is an email that I wrote personally that I put in ChatGPT to make me more like it. Anyway, we're just gonna put this in, hit preview. It's gonna show us the email here, and you're gonna show us the full email. So what we're gonna do is jump on this now before, we're gonna check and see if the link works. We gotta make sure we check that, and we gotta also make sure that you guys get a chance to copy this email if you want to copy it. So I'm just showing the whole thing, make sure y'all can see the whole thing. And you can just pause the video at certain points so you can copy the whole email if you want to. So anyway, guys, that's all there is to that. I hit perfect timing because perfect timing makes sure they get the email around time to check email. All right, so we're gonna send the email, and that's all there is to it, guys. Very simple, very easy, very quick way of making money online. Now you just do this every single day. It starts scaling. You suddenly start getting more and more sales. But you gotta do it every single day. You can't really stop. I've been stopping a lot lately, and I'm not getting sales like I used to, and that's my issue. But I'm gonna get back to it because I can make these videos for you guys. But yeah, you just do it every morning. It only take a couple of seconds a day. Fantastic. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe. Make sure you hit the notification bell. And I'll talk to you guys next time. Peace.